How to see your MetaMask version in easy, fast way. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your MetaMask version in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to MetaMask. As you can see, this is my wallet. Now if you want to see what version you have just to click here on the top corner on those three lines here, and then choose settings here, the settings option, click on it, and then go down to about MetaMask, the latest option here, click on it, and here you go. Now you can see your MetaMask version here. My version is 4.3.1. This is my version, and you can see your version 2 here. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.